What's going on, everybody? This is Roscoe. I appreciate you all for tuning in. If this is your first time, go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell and the notifications so that you can get an update on the videos when I drop them. This video is more of, I just want to motivate this morning. I just woke up and I felt the need to motivate. I went to sleep last night with this on my mind and was really anxious to get on here and make this video. I just want to talk a little bit about creating generational wealth early, and this is directed really specifically for the younger generation coming up. But even people my age or older, it's never too late. You know, everyone in this world has something that they're able to contribute. You have a talent or some type of skill that you're able to use to help better this world. And it's up to you, it's up to us, it's up to all of us to discover what that thing is. And we have to nurture that thing, focus on that thing, and make it a reality so that we can change this world for the better. Too many people aren't investing in themselves. They don't believe in themselves, whether they're afraid or whatever the reason is, they're not investing in themselves. And if you ask any wealthy person, they'll all give you the same advice. The number one thing is to believe in yourself and to invest in yourself. That's how all of these people who are successful became successful, because they made sacrifices. They invested in themselves. They saw a bigger picture and they stayed focused on that bigger picture. And that's what all of us have to do. We have to stay focused. We have to find out what it is that we have to contribute to this world. The way that the world works, the way that God works, whichever you believe in, is whatever you put out is what you get back. You know, if you have a talent, if you have a skill and you invest in yourself, it will work as long as you do. As long as you put the work in, whatever it is that you're doing, it will work. This is a fact. And history has shown it. It's all the eyes so you can look and you can see. Anyone that stayed focused has succeeded in what they did. You can never fail unless you give up. If you believe in yourself, someone else is going to believe in you as well. And whatever it is that you have as a thought, it will become a reality. But you have to stay focused on that. And another thing to remember is that poor people, they consume. Wealthy people create. So you want to be a creator. You want to create something. There, especially today with the internet, there are too many different ways that you can become successful, become wealthy with the internet going on. There are teenagers, people in their early 20s who are millionaires because of this internet. So you cannot have an excuse. It can't be being dealt a bad hand or being oppressed or any excuse. None of that can be tolerated, because there are too many people throughout history who, despite any of that oppression and despite the times that they were in, were still able to succeed. Regardless, we're still able to accomplish the tasks and the objectives and the goals that they set out for. And you can do that as well. I believe in all of you because I know that you can. And I always look forward to the great things that positive people have to contribute to the world, because I'm a positive person and I'm just trying to do my part to contribute to the world. I'm not successful and wealthy at this time, not yet. So I can't sit here and tell you how to get rich and things like that. And you may not even listen to it anyway if I'm not in that position. But like I said, what I am telling you is that if you invest in yourself, you will be successful. You will accomplish great things, just like I'm going to accomplish great things. And I will support anyone who's in the right mindset to help things progress, not push us further back. So, again, number one thing, invest in yourself. Go online, find things that you can do. I'm involved in affiliate marketing, obviously YouTube. Also, I have a blog. You can check all of these things out. I drop links in the description. You can check it out. And maybe you'll find something that interests you that you can invest your time into and become successful in. And if you have any questions for me, if there's any advice that I can give from my experiences or anything, drop something in the comments. Let me know. I'll do the best that I can to answer. And if I can't, I'll break my neck trying to find the answers for you if I'm able to. Because I just want to help. I just want to motivate and inspire and help all of us get better and get this money and be successful and create this generational wealth for our families. We can become generational wealth makers. And if you with me, give me a like, give me a thumbs up. Drop something in the comments for me as well. Check out the description. See all the links, see some of the things that I'm involved in. And again, I appreciate you all. And until next time, I'ma holler.